Hi, it's Barb again, and I have a great tip for you today. Something that maybe you have a question about. You see these bobbin cases I have down here? I have 3 of them, and they all came with my machine. This one was in it when I got it, and then I have these 2 others. Do you ever wonder what those are for? Here I have one with a purple or blue dot. I call it purple, but I think the company calls it a blue dot on the inside. This is one where you can change the tension on it if you want by just turning that screw right there. This is also one that you can use for embroidery if you're getting a really ugly stitch and you just need maybe a different tension on it. Whereas this one that came with your machine, you can't change the tension at all. In fact, it has a little gob of paint on that screw. And this one right here, the gray bobbin case, this one is just for bobbin works. And if you don't know what bobbin works is, we're going to explore that later, but it is so fun. All right, there you go. There's your bobbin tip for the day.